Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the CodeSnack IDE app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. CodeSnack IDE is a mobile coding app that allows you to write, run, and debug code in multiple programming languages directly on your smartphone or tablet. It supports Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and many more, with syntax highlighting, terminal support, and file management features. It's designed for coders who want to practice or develop on the go without needing a full computer. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is praised for its clean user interface and multi-language support. Code execution is fast, and the inbuilt terminal gives you real-time output. Beginners find it useful for practicing code snippets, while experienced users appreciate the ability to manage multiple files and projects. Cloud sync and external keyboard support are also added bonuses for regular users. That said, it's not perfect. Some users report occasional crashes when running larger codebases or switching between tabs. Advanced features like debugging or plugin support are limited compared to desktop IDEs. Also, while there is a free version, certain essential features require a subscription, which may not suit everyone. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, CodeSnack IDE is a powerful coding app for developers who want to code on the go. It's not a full desktop replacement, but for mobile development or learning purposes, it's a solid and reliable choice. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.